M East ward as a ward is actually the lowest ranking ward in terms of Human Development Index in the entire city. Very poor health, hygiene, sanitation in these particular areas. Life expectancy is low, it's about 39 to 40 years here, and a high rate of malnutrition, actually even malnutrition related deaths. So Apnale is a non-profit organization that has been working in Mumbai since 1973, basically towards improving the quality of life of people living in slums here. Apnale's vision is basically of empowering urban poor communities in the Shivaji Nagar slums of Mumbai to have awareness about their basic rights and responsibilities, and also building their capacities to be able to access services that are integral to those rights. Shivaji Nagar, the slum, is situated on the Deonar dumping ground. It's the largest dumping ground in the city, and it's where all of Mumbai's garbage comes. The dumping ground is actually a source of livelihood for the people living in Shivaji Nagar. What they do is they spend their days on the dump itself collecting waste, plastic bottles, glass, rags, metal shafts that they can sell onwards to recyclers. Many of the communities are living a hand-to-mouth existence.
11 वाजता जाते 9ला येते घरी. आम्ही बाटल्या उचलतो, फुगा उचलतो, भंगार असतं भंगार उचलतो. सुया घुसतात, कापतं पाय, कधी कधी जास्तीच कापतो.
Very poor health, hygiene, sanitation in these particular areas. Life expectancy is low, it's about 39 to 40 years here, and a high rate of malnutrition, actually even malnutrition related deaths. There's a lot of high dropout from school of children. Literacy rates are very low. Per capita income is also extremely low in these areas. 50 rupees, 50% of their daily wage goes into just buying enough water to survive. So we believe that empowering women is one of the best strategies actually to bring a community out of poverty, because women play a key role in their families, and they can actually influence the children and guide their future. The most direct intervention is the creche that we run for their children. We look after the children from 9 to 5 every day, provide them nutritional inputs, educational inputs, and we also do health checkups. So the mothers know that their children are in a safe environment and they can comfortably go out and seek employment.
आवाज निकालो.
आपकी अम्मी क्या काम करती है?
डॉक्टर का काम करते.
त्यामुळे त्यांचं ते टेन्शन असतं घरी की बाबा आम्ही मुलांना ठेवून आलोय, कशी आहेत मुलं काय, म्हणजे त्यांचं दोन्ही ठिकाणी लक्ष राहतं. एक कामावर पण नाही आणि मुलांकडे पण नाही.
बच्चे लोग को अच्छे मिलते हैं, अच्छे से रहते हैं, खाना मिलता है. अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चे लोग थोड़ा होशियार हो जाए, पढ़ लिख ले, परेशानी नहीं है.
The position of women in families is one of subjugation. There is a high amount of domestic violence that we have, come across.
मेरे शादी को 12-13 साल हो गए, लेकिन बाद में 2 बच्चे होने के बाद वो खर्चा पानी देना, तो इसके ऊपर वो मुझे मारता था. लेकिन बच्चे लोग के तो मैं कहाँ छोड़ के जाती थी, इसलिए मैंने बहुत बर्दाश्त किया. तो मेरे को मारता था, पीटता था. पुलिस वाले भी सुनते नहीं थे.
Here we run a family counseling center where women can come and share her problem with us, and then we try how that women herself can solve a problem.
We are display this type of posters because most of the women, they are not literate, so through these pictures they understand what are the domestic violence.
तो मैं वो अपना निर्णय ले ली, बोली मेरे को नहीं रहने का उसके पास. अब फिर ये लोगों ने सबने दबाव डाल दिया, मैंने उसको छुटकारा पाई उसके.
They are in the mode that nobody is there for them. When they go out from this place, they will say that no, I have everybody with me.
तो फिर इन्होंने मेरी ऐसी मदद किया, मतलब सबकी तरफ से ऐसा मुझे उनकी अम्मी है ना, बच्चे भी मेरे संभालती थी जाती थी तो।
We empower them so that they can fight for their rights. Then that right can be of anything. Water, they can fight for their right for sanitation, family, property, anything.
और इनका यही कहना था मैं भी इस फील्ड में ज्वाइन हो जाऊँ, तो मुझे इन्होंने सबने सपोर्ट किया। आज मैं इस फील्ड में ज्वाइन हूँ और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है और मेरी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है।
Women in this community tend to have an instinct to spend what they earn. Some of the obstacles they face is, yes, not having that practice of saving, but also not having access to the services that you and I take for granted. For example, not having a bank account and not knowing how to open a bank account. We try and train these women to have the skills that will enable them to go out to banks and open accounts.
तो वहाँ खाते का ज़्यादातर नहीं, इलेक्ट्रिक बिल या घर का जो कुछ पुरावा होता है वो अगर वो ना हुआ तो खाता खुलवाना पड़ता है।
A lot of the members of the communities living in Shivaji Nagar actually support the economy of the city. They are the rickshaw drivers, the domestic workers, laborers, the construction workers, the rag pickers. They are the people who make the city function the way it does function. By supporting them, you actually contribute in a better way to the economy of the city. You know, they live in squalor, they live on a dumping ground, and they still have a extremely resilient attitude, a passion for life. The communities of Shivaji Nagar actually require a great deal of support and intervention, and donations can actually be made online on our online page.